Hey, asikhulume podcast Thursday Black Queen Lifestyle. Oh, namhla is Friday. Into was expect itolo vele. So that's the reason I'm saying Thursday. How are you?
I'm good and yourself?
I'm fine. What happened to you yesterday first before you introduce yourself?
Nothing.
Because I was waiting for you yesterday the whole day and change of plans. Even today I waited for you from 1:30 you're saying to 4.
You're sorry, please.
What is? So today?
So today February, just go to Konoma.
Oh, okay. Oh, laba ngeke move. Guys, wrong. Kana mina bengisabhizi nga something else nje manje ngiyaso ngithethisile lapha nje sengiyaphuma futhi. Ninjani phela by the way? Hey, macrovist. Macrovist. Nti macrovist waselikazi.
No.
I don't know about you, but bona sengicalile ukubona ukuthi la ngathi ziyakhala la laba move laba.
I'm so good yesterday.
What is macrovist? Okay. May you please introduce yourself to people that they don't know you? Zingibani?
You want my current name or?
No, Nani, there's a street name, say there's a home name, school name, I don't know. How many names you have? State name. Yeah, okay, you can name them all.
First of all, my name is Yanka Mumpela. That's my stage name.
Your what?
Yanka Mumpela.
Oh, Yang Kamumpela.
Yeah, that's my stage name.
Oh, okay.
And another stage name is Obodo.
Funny?
Bobby Odo.
Yeah,
4.
When?
Oh, 3. Yeah, 3.
Yeah.
And the other one is Black Joy.
Okay.
But the ones that the most it's Young Kamumpela and Black Joy.
Why so much stage names? So you change
no. Sometimes like nalokuthi ngani njengoba ngisebenzisa Young Kamumpela.
Yeah.
Kamumpela can sue me for that. Because ngisebenzisa like igama lakhe.
Yeah.
Yes. So
But
that's why.
Young Kamumpela mos.
Yeah. Kamumpela. The fact that there's Kamumpela.
Oh, Young Kamumpela. So it's young Cristiano and Ronaldo. So is there a problem?
It's a problem.
But you see, I see Kama like Lionel like Cristiano.
No, ngafika kuyi problem.
So when you look up later.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Yeah, so now what the current name you're using? The stage name?
I'm using Black Joy.
Oh, Black Joy. Why Black Joy?
So people...
Yeah.
Yeah, this is right. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. Are you Joy your name?
No, that's not my name.
Oh, what's your real name?
Temba.
Oh, Tem. Okay. Uthembekile right?
Yeah.
Ngani?
How long? Next time.
No man,
yeah.
When it was 2 weeks ago in Dumbe in routine up in Dumbe.
I'm a dancer.
Oh, you're a dancer. Okay.
Kuyafunzeka.
Ngiyadlala shame mina nokujayiva. Yabona uma ngakwathi ukujayiva ne uva phansi kula lo muntu okwathi ukujayiva. Fana uma ngakwathi kuswima. Uma ngakwathi kuswima uenjoy lo kwathi kuswima because uthi uma ngakwathi kuswima uthi ngibona ngathi angendi kahle uyabona le like. Yeah, so kungiloko nje eshaye made a mistake like okay. Yeah. Can we know more about you? Background, everything.
Yeah, God, so.
Who are you? Who's Temba? Kulelaphi? Khula nabobani ekhaya everything. Ngicela kuvala lo mnyango. La kuvala ingokuya you can continue.
I can continue. As I said, my name is Temba. I go by the name Young Kamumpela. Temba Masina, and I'm a dancer. So I'm a very shy person.
You can't be a dancer. You can't be a dancer and also become shy.
Yeah, I'm a shy. You can be a dancer and be shy.
You say you're rude.
Yeah, I'm rude at the same time.
Oh, okay, why?
If you're rude to me, I'm rude to you.
But you're supposed to say it from the first place. Because if you're rude to me, I'll come
No, I'm
to you.
rude. Very well.
Oh, you're rude even if someone is not rude to you.
If I don't like you, very on the road.
Yo, okay, I'm so happy because Sanjay. So that's the reason you came here. No, okay.
No,
Continue.
that's not that.
Yeah, you can.
I'm a gay person,
Yeah.
and I love being gay.
Oh. So
Yeah,
proud of
judge
it.
of very good, but
Nah.
yeah, but at the end of the day,
Why not?
you don't just in the
Yeah.
Even like-
Ukhulela kuphi shame?
and how?
Yeah. Oh, you come from, that's why you must wait.
Then you call it like
That's why Yeah, no, us as people, as black people, as you black joy, why you always late sometimes as guys like, but you're supposed to leave them behind and say, guys, man, I'm leaving. But you say you're not trusting me, that's the reason you're not coming on your own. Well, now you're having bodyguards.
I don't trust you, just, you know.
You said so.
My mood
She
changes.
said so last week. But no, I don't trust this guy.
You said you mentioned something like that.
Yeah, that's.
So when
Eh,
you have the cards.
I say
She
this
said she's not comfortable enough.
when you're
to
not
come
there.
out.
Yeah, I don't know you. I'm not sure. I'm scared of
Yes,
something.
I'm
I
I'm
don't
saying,
know
no,
you.
I'm scared of this guy. They say something like that. She said so.
Did I?
Oh.
No.
Oh, why you say I was comfortable? Musi nihlale nihambe ema-groovies nina ngokwenu. Nihlale nibona abantu emgrooveni. Abantu bahlale bona-approach banithengele tshwala esinye isikhathi. Anibe comfortable ngalo tshwala babiyehla.
Yeah, asithenge batshwala usuwetekile.
Yeah.
Usuvele phela nami ngani ngizongayi.
Yeah.
Sekumaketha kimi vele.
Yeah.
Accept.
Yeah.
Boy.
Grab.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, ukhulele how nabobani ekhaya, siblings. Kuna nabobani?
I have 3 siblings.
Okay. Wena uyisibo?
Yeah, the last one.
Oh, okay. Bebathembile yazi bebathembile ekhaya ukuthi uzoletha abazukulu. Yazi bebathembile
Disappoint.
Wathi hayi mina ngiya-ofremba la. Ngiya-ofremba ngemoyeni yabo lapha la uya-ofremba ukuthi moyeni wena expect uhamba straight ngemgodini bathi
Small,
ngiya-ofremba.
my siblings.
Hey,
Oh, okay.
I have
Okay.
one brother.
Yeah, okay.
I have 2 sisters, which means 3 sisters.
One and one guy.
One guy.
So guy msifuna ashayele makulu.
Yeah, unathunyelwa bantwana. Maybe usato.
Is the first one.
No, second one.
Okay. So ukhula njani ekhaya? Ukhula njani Pinar? Because Pinar, I know they are judging everything efana naleyo.
No, like, yeah, kusenjani? La ukhulela ngakhona. Bancane abantu labakujajaba.
Oh, okay. Because babonisa cool.
Yeah, like ngani sebakujwayele. So ngilabo nalabo labakujaja.
Yeah.
But like rekithi zawo futhi njengoba ngisope na reta la guys. But people, there are so many people that want to judge ngani.
Because
So, yeah.
you're not used to your face.
So la ngikho khona like nje bajaja.
Ne. But on a very advantage ngiyafana nampho ukuthi kunabosisi ekhaya background yabosisi. Very so simple. Ne.
Sure.
Okay. So ufunza aphi isikole?
For the central.
Hawe, ikazi ukudala ithanza ne?
For the central.
Kahle abantu basePinari like ever since nami ngicala kudate na ngathi ngihlaleli ikazi umcoma noma ngingamsomanga.
None.
Khona lo stage.
Eh,
But
no.
namanje
Phela thina Pinar yabo njengami mina ngisazi ukufunza la kunebangani bami khona.
why?
Angikhona concentrate
Kuba
distracted. Dotshe emaklasini. Njengoba sengenelele kaze sengijwayele.
Oh, what did you say?
Bona bangidojise ngala bo 9 10
Yeah.
9 10.
La sokufuna besirious khona.
But I know it's no one.
Kuyafana.
Oh, okay. Oh, no, you understand.
Yeah.
Don't just eat.
So even your primary level, ufunza la ikazi.
No, bekufunza lawo.
Oh,
Moments.
Oh, okay. How was your primary?
Okay. Hayi ngathi
You're not like in
That's
pool because
okay.
in pool was bulinyana.
I'm not bullied. Bona bebabhulishane.
But you when you return,
No, lapho phela ngane khule nabo ukuthi akufana ngiyalo. Ngiyalo like kuthi lo muntu uzocabanga yena.
Yeah.
So I have to
Stand on your own. Okay.
So in primary, like, there were a lot of bullies there.
Mm.
Like, if I had grade 7, like, basic normal, because I'm over the second child, basic normal, but like, talent, so
That's tough, ne?
it was tough.
So your sexuality iqale kuvela when? Because some of you guys nikhula on grant was all of a sudden say
My brother, I mean, from grade R, crash.
yeah.
So, I mean, I'm big at. Like, there was this time. Yabonga maskhulu asibantwana like uthola maybe so uba buhlungu.
Yeah.
So like mama beyana ukuthi hamba ukhipha amati ngiza mfuni. Every time kuhlungu but na ngiyamhlukubetha ngoba kalani ngani.
Yeah.
So there was this time I said okay ufuna ini uze khona ngathi kunampompi. Wawuthe kulapho la khona ukuthi kunkanala la.
Yeah.
And then the wafika graduation yami.
Yeah.
Wangithenga imoto. Ngasathatha imoto ngiyela bayi. Then wangithenga impophi. Ngahlala nompophi lo. Nase crash benginalokuthi ngikhumule jeans lesikolo ifa sihloko.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so uyaqala
Ngikuhle. Ngisho mfana.
Ashe.
Kanti nabafana nginesaba nani ukuthi elojita muntu.
Yeah, no, we don't do that.
Nayo wathi nesakusho no.
Yeah, if ngine sexuality thina mase straight asikhuluma. This guy is beautiful. Oh, he's handsome.
No, handsome.
Ne. Yeah, kimi, not to us.
Nakini ngiyamfuna ukuvuma. No baba hle kodwa.
Eh,
No, like ngiyamfana.
ne.
Usho ukuthi hayi mjidi anamuhle ngishayile.
Kahle kahle. Okay, hayi mina ngengikwende lo. Angikwendi lo. Mina ngathi noma ngimsebenzi wakho, uthi hayi no, umsebenzi wakho nomanje. So mama so ecala uyibona le pro.
Yeah,
Which one
kuzayo.
is this one? Sekuna butela labanye phela all this one. Uthi what's happening with him?
La but okay. Mina bebangikhulumisa because like ngingani primary.
Yeah.
Bebangikhulumisa.
Bobani?
Ekhaya. Like
Oh.
bebangasho
Oh, bebangakhona
Wayende lo yeah. So kukhule like kahle. So ngathi mafika like primary secondary.
Yeah.
Ngaqala lokugroove ngathi.
Oh, okay.
So ngaqala groove grade 7. But like I so grade 8
No prove kakhulu prove kancane.
Yeah, ngani ukuthi ngiyema weekend uyaphuma le weekend leyo. Ngabe kune ukuthi kune special occasion.
Standard 5.
Yes.
Okay.
So grade 7 begroove but not that much.
Yeah.
So ngathi grade 8 grade 8 nabe ngirapha khona ke. Yeah.
Lapho sebaqala
ngcono.
Awanya songcono.
Hawa, grade 7, grade 8. Grade 8
Why? Why bo prove so?
Influence ebangani?
Oh, musa ngoba joyelanga.
Laba ngizanga bajoyika.
Yeah.
So yeah, nebangani wabo.
Yeah.
Abangani wami nabo baqala ukuva batsala kimi.
Oh.
Batsala ngena kimi. Hayi kakhulu manje.
Female friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Batsala ngena kimi. So laba bagroove. Yabo ukuthi singana samba.
So papa bekangekho because iruya papa ngiyibotha yikho. That's why bokuruva it.
Ukhona papa?
Uhlala na endlini.
No.
Ngisho kwenye ekhaya.
No.
Yeah, ekhaya. So that's the reason bozenzela.
Nakalo ngiyatendela. Noma ngabuya ngiyenda akhona.
I don't think ngabe history nje. I don't think ngabe sanokudlala life.
Ngabe papa khona.
Yeah.
Ne. Bengahlane.
Yeah. Sometimes I'm shy just because of it. Ngifake like my hila mama. Like angishayi even noma like isihamba sedrobheni so 3. Understand kungimama naye. Uyibona lokuthi why uhlala esandleni samama, why uhlala esandleni sakhe. Mekele hamba nje ngendoda something like yo
Mina there was time like la papa la lokuthi khona. Then but angathi mina. Beyakhuluma nabo mama so mama ngilomuntu yabo mama ngithatha ngidlula ngini.
Okay.
Mama nto buyake mangitshela ukuthi ish baba kho uthi lena ngaphansi kahle. Yabo. So buya lokhuluma. So there was this time nambe sengina futhi babhizi bakhuluma khona. Ngabithi meeting.
Yeah.
Ngabahlala phansi ngabatshela ngabachazela ukuthi first of all ngimthemba.
Yeah.
Ngiyovukile ube ngini.
Eish. Utshela mama na papa lapho.
Ubonge ngimama ngipapa
Siblings.
Uthi ngimthemba ngovukile ube ngini.
Yeah.
So whatever mina ngivaka awiva wena.
Yeah.
So ngingene nje ukuthi ngifile impilo.
What's your surname?
Basi
Ma?
ngasena.
Oh, okay. It was ngikhala kinyana nje ngiva le Yeah.
ngiyakhala kunyana.
Yeah, bengisho nje ukuthi mawuthi utshela abantu abadzala ukuthi awusingimi mina nginguwe like yabona that's-
No, like ivele like sometimes you have to yabo ubatshela ukuze babekenza untaba.
Yeah.
Because kunalabanye abantwana labangeba accept. Nginemngane.
Yeah.
Umntana wakhe namuhla lokho accept. Uphila kabuhlungu. Kuthi afake uyifuna ekhaya, kufaka ekhaya. Bese siyaphuma makabuye ikhulule ekhaya. So abengafuna ukuphila nempilo.
So siye nama heels and everything akagqoka.
Uwagqokela emakhaya abantu. Ngiyagqokela ekhaya kokho.
Ne.
There was this time sayawuthenga makeup. Bese ngabo wabuya bathashisi
The makeup.
Eh.
Bari makwakho baba.
uma kwakhe. Babe ude.
Oh.
Uma kwakhe. So uma kwakhe influence uthola kwani kokwakhe ngoba kokwakhe vele akamfuni.
Lo mntwana. Akamfuni ukuthi le situation ekakuye le.
Ukuthi okay.
Okay. Yo. Yeah, that's
So nami bengafuna ukuphila like njalo bo.
so wena bahlala nawo phasi bona ngathi lapho umnyango sofuza grade.
I was doing grade 9.
Esul groove izokugcina. Ucela groove ngoba bombebe badludlu yabo bazinto.
So ka grade 8, ka grade 7
Mm.
benginogroove like local.
Mm.
Grade 8 bese ngihamba bokhayisisi. Awayivele abantu abanjalo ngani?
Manje bosu pose bumncane mhlapha.
Yeah, ngimncane umtimba wakhe umncane.
Yeah, sengifuna ukuthi usile body wise those be different.
Yeah, so like bo grade 8 bokhayisisi.
Tomorrow you going to school some of the days or
Yeah, so lamanye malanga ngi. And there was this time.
Paparazzi.
Yebo. Thursday,
Mm.
totally ladies night.
Yeah.
Bokhayisisi. Vele ngingani. From Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday ngakho. Monday angiyile paparazzi. So since ngihlala almost like 3
Days is schooling.
4 days, 5 days.
Ngena Tuesday till Wednesday. Thursday ngana uyi.
Thursday
Oh,
angiyile.
Thursday. Oh, Thursday we are because we
Ami Thursday ngiyalungisa. Why ngi?
Ufunza kulapho.
Before Central.
No way.
There was this time vele babidela meeting ukuthi hey hayi loyal offer.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngasho ukuthi. Ngibangelo lo.
And phela abantu abafana nawe isikhathi esiningi bagude ebhukwini. Bonjani wena? Ebhukwini like.
Primary
smart.
bengekho that good.
Eh.
But like it's engafika ngiqala ka grade 5 kuba kancane.
Distracted.
Kuba like uthi ingqondo uyabona ukuthi okay ngalo ya.
So focus.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so great.
Great last year.
Last year, last year.
Oh, computer last year. You have passed. Okay.
Let's not go there.
Oh, why not?
Just.
Oh, you don't want to talk about school? Why not?
Yeah, well, okay. Abang makhi again.
Yeah.
School ngesingiyasho.
Yeah, but when you're passing by.
Yeah, but that's why I'm first level ukuthi ukuthi phasile kugcinela ngaphansi.
Kuthi uphume ngani?
Like I wanna hear about your farewell. When you told us about your farewell, you say primary. They bought you cars and but you have this but right. How about the farewell at grade 12?
No.
Asamoy?
La Central la.
La good.
There's no farewell here.
Kind of kuba khona this year. I-matric dance basically. So lokho kuthemba.
Guys.
Yeah.
Yo.
Like into.
But in primary.
Yeah, a primary like
I was a little bit disappointed about grade 7 because I wanted to wear like a dress.
Nah, my
maybe
grade 7 was
it suit me even more sassy and classy, even though it's giving booking type, even if you feel like what's on.
Alright.
But unfortunately, mina ngoba vele ngihlala namantulu. Ngoba ngihlala namantulu thina no anginankinga lokuthi like game la nami bo. But nje vele like ngibani partner yakho ifana nokuthengela rogo hamba nabani. Ngithi okay, asama sothenga lesisudu. Yabo lokuthi vele benginganayo choice. Mara bona vele shame.
Thina hayi asizangisifeyilele vele ukuthi sigqoka masotho. Or whatever.
Oh, a primary, yeah? Yeah, because it was primary.
Or
Primary grade 7. Like isudu vela sigqoka isudu.
So, Chola ufundiswa ngubani manje? Teach you alcohol. Your friends or yourself? Or yourself, you teach yourself alcohol, grooving and everything.
Yabona mangane mabona abantu banathi.
Yeah.
Ubona ngathi fashion man.
Yeah.
So now ufuna lokho.
Ngena into fishing. Awufuni kusalela ngaphandle.
Yeah, ngibona ufuna kusala ngaphandle.
Why not?
Babethi bathi ish legilile la ngichaze ba
Yeah.
laphela yabo uthola lawo le ufle ukuthi hayi
Basho wena sesikhathi. Kubo basho someone else.
basho someone else ngikhona ngibona ukuthi na ufuna fela lapha
Those guys, who was your influencer like that time? Man, we got motivated, like, I wanna know.
There was this guy, was a guy, but but Musgrove, around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
What's in?
it's some danger.
Yeah. You can join in. Get your friend Johnson.
Like, they're quite actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, a group and feeling like you're Magna.
Yeah. Never.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maranyalo.
Yeah, man, think. But I'm cut as fun, pen.
Maranyalo.
Ne.
I went.
It's out. Shiny then.
But I was one of the face. Ushogo, the very was one getting my teeth. Ushogo not say.
Salu again.
Oh, like a man.
Salu something else. So aren't you thinking one day, what's now office of one your own child?
Yeah, face a bird.
Benze khansi man siyafisa mina siyafuna kwabamba yathi sidlale nabo.
But sometimes I can be a sperm donor to someone for who's an answer in Yes, that's the easy thing. But wasn't no.
So do you produce sperms?
No, like some.
So can I ask this question? No bull porn this cat, ne? In terms of experience in the and see a gay abuse with another guy. Okay, gay is abuse, ne? But Lona and Piznado, Lona and I like a pins and forget.
No, that's all Pella. Never act upon sometimes they're not gay.
Ne?
Yeah, most of them never act upon they're not gay.
Okay.
Just by act because like so much in the manner. Even Hambanga.
My ex na?
Yeah.
Hey, so like, she wants money.
Yeah.
When it comes to money, it's money. So, but you hide your face, right?
No. There's no need to hide it.
If you don't hide that, so bad. Kusho ukuthi imali yami vele ayikho
That much, ne?
that much.
Exactly what you'll see. Begin wasn't desperate. No, I'm gonna wasn't desperate. Ngiyafuna nami.
The marry.
You know, we are going to say the fun. Ukuthi unayizijani ukuthi uthole into nje freezer ka. Yekuthi akufune kuzu. Yabo ukwepha kwele. Kunayisa sometimes uthole into free. Yabo.
Yeah.
Enjoyable.
Ne.
La hlokile futhi. Like when
But ananza bana spirit kusi nyarukulona because okay nipilivela into one first. Church goer, ancestors, nyanga, whatsoever, nipilivela wena yourself. Because namhla manginazodwa kusasa nginazuzile, kusasa nginabantu bani yabona nama spirits. Ngithatha ama spirit amaningi, lesinye isikhathi ngisakhona understand ukuthi like ngibona frustration ngani ukuthi njani kanti nama spirit amanye langenile. Do you believe in that?
Like sometimes
Yeah.
Sometimes I can say I believe in God.
Yeah.
But sometimes very little in my ancestors.
Yeah.
So yeah, what's your support?
So I'm talking about that spirit thing. What's the most when we are facing a sugar shugile. You see, I'm not thinking of spirit langa.
Nothing.
La la.
No, Joe. No. Not at all.
Are you for real?
Mara nje ngidinga ukuthi vele ngibona umuntu webhayidi lo ufake.
Hey.
But niona njani kan?
Bhayidi uyayibona.
Oh, uyayibona bhayidi.
Oh, nina njayele kubona ne glamorous life since hayi but nje nyalo ngidlula Ferrari.
Even
lapha ama watch.
Even labo bhuti labadala we can see would know.
Le party.
Le bhayidi vele lo ukuthatha inhlanhla zakho I think nje.
Cabase uvile sebangugeza. Na 23 bangugeza.
Oh, you talking about that story of that girl.
Hey.
Mara kanti lapha nditori ithu bathi uyagula nala bathi ubikalele ne
Laba bathi bathi ilo yeah la South Africa vese
ulo ugugile la ukuthi
yeah nama uthi AI something khona lo bayini
ujusi ngabe AI map
nami khona ngicabanga
because khona la kune podcast khona msibam interview yona nobatana
really
yeah there's a podcast you must check ne podcast ngaye bam interview ukuthi but angisangayibukilanga but ngibonile nje clip ayo bamuntu vele what happened but that's why ngithi story sedithunya ukuthi yena ukuthi bathi kugula labanye bathi ulele nemuntu wabasona.
laba bayasho ukuthi bathi usho uvumile ukuthi okay ngingalali nje umuntu yabo bathi lelo yakho vele ikhona lesifo sikhona.
That's bad. Hey, yeah, ngiyathuka. Where were you yesterday? Because I never saw you. Ngibabonile la kwethu bokuphi ntoni? Ngoba it was ladies night.
I was busy.
Yeah, I think on YouTube. I'm not sure. I don't know what you're gonna type, but ngibonanga na. Where were you yesterday?
I was busy.
Oh, you're busy. You're busy.
No. So, from the money.
Oh, okay. So wanna be a nail what? Oh, okay. Asingaqeda ngacitsanga kahle lapho le question kahle leyo. Uthi some of the people that are porn, those guys, they are straight. It's just because of money. So you guys as gay, she told me last week there are three type of gays. Bottom,
top verse.
So if I understand ukuthi we gay straight, but it's level it's highly impossible.
Vuka mali bana bafana.
And there's a history. You're born again. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
But give me hlugile.
Yeah.
A lot of my friends basho say abavukela, but give me hlugile.
Yeah. That vote.
Yeah, because that's why you say I don't feel comfortable if I'm gonna talk about family.
Because
like
lo ukuthi nje kuba nalo ukuthi mina ngisho yesterday sala ngiyageza naye ngiyageza phambi kwakhe ngiyageza phambi kwami
kodwa lutho
nothing.
Are you for real? Now nalokuwe njalo.
Yes, mina vele bangani bami bonke.
So my khona besiva ukuthi because masakhula bathi ama gay tozi yabo they older than us but my gay so the man of the night 4 5 nana schemes up. But if was kunje yabagibela futhi. Kuzinjani besingayi
legenda.
But that guy is gay. But akagqoka ma weaves man no it's like ugqoka but uyibona nje le walk yakhe nale talk yakhe yaba ukuthi lona na.
Totally understand. So we are bisexual.
Nanyalo solunjalo.
Totally bisexual.
We never had
No, Chome think nemuntu lo ba bisexual lathi jola swing of genders. Ubeni naye uyadliwa. Kunjani?
Siphazamisa lo. So those lo muntu loyo wena kaze ukulo. Yeah. So when the first time baqala ku break band because uqale kudzala mgroove. Sorry to ask you the question. Uthengibude abe spicy. Sengiyacala nya. And then na someone about just no question I'm sure nayo lapha. I'm sure no question you are draft lapha.
That kind of thing.
Oh.
Ngani kwanamani yati.
No, me.
Get to work okay. Grade 6. No, so tell group up because group to grade 7. What happened? Let's talk about that day. Okay, let's talk about that person. You're dating or what? Let's talk about the change. Yeah, we're not counting ways.
So there was this guy, Shang as a guy. So I don't know, was it okay or something, but clearly, I should say he was into me.
Yeah.
Because like every time I come to school in like the hangman, that's his work.
Yeah.
I said, spend the time.
Yeah.
Spend the time.
Yeah.
So what happens, guys? I told her I would say, approach her like, I'm not going to be able.
1-on-1.
Yeah. One cousin was.
Who's older than the other?
I think he is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I confess was like, hey, I was another chance. Was it uyanginabela?
Okay.
Yabo. So nami angikwathi ukujola ngani ngiqala kujola.
Oh, uzoqala kujola.
Yeah.
Kodwa zonke ukuthanza musuma uqala njani kujola? Azonke ukuthanza usuqala njani kujola?
Ma sengajoli baba. Like umuntu unomatha uyakunabela, ufila ngathi uyakuthanza.
Oh,
yeah, ngilo, ufila njalo. So okay. Obathu njani was okay. Yeah. Siyaqala
When?
So it was on Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, they are not taking some over. Yeah,
Okay.
so
Sebaqala kumbono. Okay.
Ngathi umntwana
Sugar cane, sugar cane.
ngathi umntwana ukuthi uthi ngamobe yabo. So what decide ukuthi ajikise lo mntwana amtsho ukuthi kuye mina.
Oh, wena thuba umntwana ukuthi awuthenga mo.
Yeah,
Kuwe.
cool.
Kumnabeleni.
What decide ukuthi ayena njani ajikise umntwana athi kuye mina.
Okay.
Nokhona ukuthi ikhethe.
Yeah.
So moba wakho uhlanga phandle.
Yeah.
So majika lo mntwana ukhwetha lo moba la ngaphandle ufaka endlini. Yabo. So mangifika mina ngafika ngithola izinto vele. Wathi ngena ucheck ubuko lofunayo.
Akunamuntu bheka kuwo.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ufaka mina.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Help me now.
There was nothing. I'm full.
Yeah.
Ngiyaqala no.
It happened automatically.
Hey, shothi na ubofuna phela bolingzile
So like maqala jola.
bolingzile
Maqala jola bo.
Mara
Like
kuthi na-
the first person that you feel like giving him the world.
Eish,
Yabo.
eish, sugar cane.
So nama ngizama kwabana ukuthi ngithi ngiyaqala
Sugar cane.
bavele wathi
What grab faka sugar. How was the feeling?
worse.
Why is it worst experience?
Ngiyacabanga ne-labor ayifiki lapho.
Nah.
If you're in labor ayifiki like that phela isingathi.
And there's no condom. Kude la ngiva khona ngathi maphathe ama condom whatsoever.
It's because I think
It was a plain. Nah. And then
Benganasikhathi kodwa.
leso sikhathi mase uphuma moba sowukhohliwe phela. Moba sowukhohliwe.
No,
Ngakukhumbula. Yo.
ngathatha la ngoye futhi.
Eh.
Wathi ngabhadala ngaphuma hamba.
Sekuhamba phela iwalk nesentshintshi phela lapho leyo walk yokuchama ukungena nelokuphuma sey different because ngani you experience something that different.
No, uyaba nale feeling ukuthi okay, kuyavakala ukuthi khona into ngini but iwalk ayitshintshi. Ingatshintshwa okay, maybe mangihlala phansi like kungabi first time but iwalk ayitshintshi.
So masokhala phasi different phela masofika ekhaya.
Basohlala phansi sohlanganisana.
Sobathina.
Abanaki. Mawugeza futhi. Abanaki.
Painful.
Abanaki mafuka uyahlala nje. Uhlala khona bathi yini uzokuthi. Maybe ngibanje inkunzi ke.
Ngathi ngiyabona solo smile. Omangalo smile. Le TV nale una smile ubheke tuna. Awubona izulu ke.
Even today man.
So don't busy. Naye lo ngoba. Sugar cane.
Busy but that's strong.
So sathenga samoba.
No. Ngiyalwa seven. Phela that time ngisesikolweni.
But unemuntu.
Unebani? Because like
Women.
Ngena abantu abadala hlohlukana.
Manje wena aren't you feeling jealous?
No. Ngumntwana nami.
Phela before.
No.
So from that day, first time ngicela kwenda, after that iqhubeka kanjani impilo manibonana?
Basibona so two.
Manibonana like maybe emgwaqeni everything.
Ngisho ukuthi masitoba sidlula emgwaqeni sothi sithula mkhulu. Noma kudlula umuntu so nangasikhombisa somkhombisa ukuthi okay konakala ngosona. Manje lapho semncane but this time around angimiss ukuthi ungangidlula wena. Ungangina ukuthi usho la ke usho yini?
So ufuna attention ya.
Yeah, sorry.
No, wena so ufuna expose la yena.
Why hide? Ungadelani? Tell the truth ukuthi permanent bisexual.
Ne.
Yeah, kaze ukudla umuntu. Ungangihide mina.
sometimes it's not easy.
Yeah, it's not so easy.
Phuma ngempela.
Akusizi nakhona ngani base bangena basakhona mathe umnyango
so
kuphuma la.
uzobona ukuthi wena njani ngale situation.
Manje nje nalabantu bakuthi vele yena between plug. Nje nalabantu bakuthi mina
Yeah,
sexual.
akazi unkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Kuyafana uenjoy back. Phela ifridge.
Hey, yendeni free. Ibanzabona. Ishisa ngemuva. Ishisa ngemuva. Yakwenza ngaphambili. Awuthatha kusesibaba. Never kwatsinya. Alo sesibaba.
Ababhasi la.
Uma ngani?
Abangitshela ukuthi ushisa ngemuva.
Ababhasi la.
Babhaza ne? I heard ukuthi vele bangaze.
Madoda agcina lapha.
Hawu.
Hesh, speechless.
Awufuna ukuzavazana.
Angazi, angiyoke angiboni.
Nabangabulila nokusho.
No, phela ngani uyabona sibhizi, social media is so too deep. If ngathi nginemanga, expose so easy. You understand? So easy. So why ngifudi ngikhulume manga? Njenga sugar cane. Hayi ngispeechless. Mawuthi ifridge ishisa ngemuva.
Ibanza phambili.
Yeah. Yo, now how many years? Ngibhizi ngalo mhlafazo wenu.
From grade 6 until now.
So manje wena mawumfuna anemuntu wakho wena njani?
Akwendo lokho something nami ngimuntu.
Nami ufuna yena. Phela ukhumbula ukuthi nguyele wakufundisa ama chips
Phela
lana perepere.
phela kani khona yakhulu. Sometimes bakafe umuntu wakhe sedot. Bamninga bakho. Biya ngala khaya sivela ngala. Sithi kuze ujika futhi.
Asanga ngikhona.
Ngiyakhona.
Uyabuya? Ukilwa wena before? Kumbe nethi uyaqabanga.
Ngiyakhona, ngiyadana mina ngiyakhona.
Ngisho ukilwa wena ukuthi athi yena ngeke akukhona waya wena. Kodwa uqala khona. Mawuthi wena ngicela.
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi angeke ngifuna uhambe naye. Like mina ngimuntu wami nami.
Yabona umuntu wakho ufana ngiyabe speechless ngabona le video le.
Speechless.
Ngalento le phela uqeda.
Phela naye Kodwa uNkulunkulu like naye uyashit.
Oh, you know.
I know.
Yena he's gay.
Bisexual.
Oh no, okay. Oh wena ngathi uthanza lapho unzaba.
Yeah, ngijolene ngene.
Unzaba.
Umuntu ojolana
waseshade ingcuze ethu Jomi
yakuthi kunani?
Yeah.
Kunani lokuthi ngojolana umfana lo gay.
Yeah.
Athi i-top, athi top verse. Because kunabafana abadliwa futhi.
Engeva bathi futhi ngifibala nale club le Petropin bathe babhebha kubhuti wethu lapha.
Sozu gay. Ayi nje nalama actelo ngilama actelo amnaye. Uthi uyabona ukuthi waphela lapha ama actelo kufana. Lama relationship ukuthi indoda lo ngibane mfathi la yabo.
Yeah. Selo munye bathi nithi top lo munye bottom. Or but lapho ba date boyithu bakhona date boyithu. Lo ukuthi wena ukufunda. On top.
No, I'm a bottom.
Oh. Isiyafunza. Top, bottom, front, up.
Yeah, for maybe some other date of not experience now.
No.
Nah, phela le life.
Ngathi to wena mbatani ngakhona experience. Yona mbatani straight. Ngale yangikhona experience. Angaze vele ngigudze.
Ayi ke phela kananto abantu betana kake lutho.
Nalo bayithi ngithola majapa. You know the other time ne ngithole like with my friend ne. Yeah, two girls. Lomunye mncane lomunye mdzala yabo. Lomunye use university lomunye uyasebenza. They are friends. So nalomngane wamdzala kimi. Sabathatha labo cherry sashaya so book. Sibuka two camera not my room. But khona lelinye lekuthi le main room yabantu abadzala sele yabantwana ukuthi ma single bed yabo. Singena le ma single bed. Ayibabhizi mina ngibamba lenzanga yami. My brother uyaphelela. Sabuya sesithrisam ngala kimi yabo. Sasha. Lelo mdzala. Athatha isithupha sakhe asifaye ngala. Hey, ngasupa. Lo elo likhona. Ngathi sebunela which one is this one yabo? So kodwa yini yabo tosi but solo silanglekelo yabo losi ngazupa bathi sorry mina ngifuna cha. Yaqhubeka. So uyangitutsa lento leyo yabo ukuthi mhlambe yabona lento leyo. Uyabona vele say man yabo lento leyo. Yekela lento leyo vele yabo. Uyabona vele man. Sasha ngiyacha. So ke sonke so-drill uyazi ublank outhini. Uyaqhubeka naso uyayitesta lena usikanini lana. Yabona
ufakala kuwe.
Lo mtsana. So uthi kimi hayi man. Thina sejwayele amajidela amaningi. Dothi awuthamini imali yabo. Uthi sijwayele amajidela amaningi lana imali ukuthi sibona njalo ukuthi labantu laba bayadliwa kumbe badla amajidela lona futhi labanye yabo. Uthi sibafaka la move bathi uva bathi i-G Sport out lenye makuchama kamnazi bathi makushaya ngana move azange khona understand kahle. Ngasuye phela mina ngisingumuntu lo yabo. Wasibungana ukuvumile ngase yabo kusingimi yena phela mina. You understand? So that's the reason why wena angathi i-life nje ukuthi asiyathi njani because lesinye isikhathi bangathi niyadragana nganini bathi bathi ukuthi indlu kwendlu ngani yeva nyalo lo moba nyalo umbambe ngema lokuthi ngiyacala benesifinyana but angazi ngiphuphe la yatona batana angazi even noma ngayithola ngani bathi sine smajida ngiyancwile yabo uve ngathi kukhulunyana ngizama nje kusikhwiza nyana nje but angazi ngifike ngale
Utofera mina.
hayi man ungamkhisa awubona so lo mthole nyalo umthola kuphi endlwana bangathi uyahlupheka lo
Sina 3 years.
no na 3 years we are no more than 3 years okay
Loya sina more than 3 years. Loya mina nasho ngithi about into leba ekuphapha. Lo sina 3 years so ngamthola I think ngiyamngani. Because bangani abantu abaningi baya kuzo yeyi phela lo senza abantu aba
laba unemali lo
ngazo
nina ngathi nimhlanje nebali banemali izama
ngasho njalo.
ngitho nina you guys like ngathi nimhlanje nebali banemali imali yanisanza ne ngiyayigezela niyakiphi indumba kanti ngiphi indumba le ngathi emageyili ehlale iyakhona ubona igeza ngoba zingigeza enzaweni
Ungabona noma ngaba nemali ungabona ngathi uyasinike kuba ngincike.
okay
Jana phela kunala amanye amajita la jwana make actually ukuthi iyamna nginike imali.
why
I don't know.
okay angithola through a friend
Yeah.
yeah
So kunami mngani wami.
yeah
Behlele shothi ukujona naye yabo.
oh okay yeah
So kwayena something ngathi uwamtshontshela or kwayena kana I don't know.
yeah
Kona lapho. So
yeah I'm listening
so wamsearch on Facebook wamtext mina ngingadi. So mam texta wathi masakahamba wangiphendula yena. Wathi wasahamba lo. Wangisho ukuthi akho ngani khona into ngingidlala khona nakabo. Ngifunela omunye umuntu unemali yabo uyabheja.
Yeah.
So okay. Anangi. Okay. Kawathi into ukuthi bekuthe kawathi into ukuthi on Saturday siyabetha. Masitha Savannah le deep connection. Le sale sayibamba lapho.
yeah
Sehlukene ngiyacabanga more than 20
Why?
times.
inzaba niyafana ngicela leshisa
Yeah. Him cheating mina uyabokwazi kwaba ne lack of communication.
yeah
Like I.
it's a no
Yeah. So there was times like ngiyakho ngiyacela.
ngoba
Yabo yeah.
uncengane
So
imali
ngicela ukuthi ngifuna umuntu lapha ngiyamthatha kabi.
le mali bangiyona
Hayi bekanginika shame. Hayi bekanginika.
awunyaka kasamniki
Ngiyanika.
so yena naye unemfana nebantwana
Bekalobulini.
so
Bahlukene.
ngenxa yakho
Ngomina ngabona ngomlephisi. Bahlukene mina naye sihlukene.
nalomunye wangalana naye solo mmele yena uhlukanise babe namake wathatha yena his game
Unemndeni bahlukana ke separate.
umndeni
Yeah.
Make babe nomntwana.
Bantwana phela.
yo hayi no ngiphelelwa manje
So mina
yeah
bahlukene mina naye sihlukene.
yeah
Because mina yabo mina umuntu abangimfihli. So ngayina kinzipho ngaphala igama lakhe la. So le kinzipho tangwa yena kinga ukuthi ngagcina ngithola nema-girlfriend akhe la ngawa. And the worst
maye
part
bathi ngani kusingoyi
ngibhala igama lesibongo.
oh but baningi bongosana yona ngiyabekisa ngiyabekisa nje tozi lo upopular le gama lakhe nesibongo sakhe sipopular
Lo ngize ngibe neshow mina ukuthi lo usho yena. Bekuba baxoxela ngaye.
okay
Because there were time la ngisuke nginabo khona ngithi ayi mina ngihamba ngedwa umuntu wami.
yeah
Bathi kanti wena umuntu wakho ubani yena ayinto manje. Njalo njalo ngicela baxoxa ukuthi okay. Unabe ngizibani.
yeah
So ngagcina ngithola ukuthi ayibajolo. Ngoba vele ngibona na Facebook lakhelana so.
intombazana leyo
Ngicela ngithola ukuthi bajola lo yagula. Girl.
kanti songidoctor wena
Girl vele kuyatiwa isikole. Ngikho sifana mayikola.
Mm.
Benginokukhomba nanyalo sobo sakhe sakuzala nasenyana.
hayi mani impilo ngani nje
Ubo waphuma amanzi ngaphasi.
so khishwa yini mani ngoba uyachama
Usiyakwathi lokho thina.
kanti mawuchama uphuma mandi kani
Sana kunechama kuphuma amanzi ukuthi
Angikwazi
imali
ukuphuma
lakhe lilani wayo.
discharge
asathi ukuthi bebamindeni ngoba bekanokulavele nemadoda abancane
sebamloyile
khona lapho sihlukane so sibuyelana ngeno
so
January lamalanga sibuya ku
so wena usabi kwenda nanyari sokusela uvele isitori salo nende plane
tested
usakadle kwanyaka para muso angandiveli ama-test awaveli same day
awaveli same day,
sasa
but-
ngizina after 6 months 3 months
sokusela hlukane ngathi around November sabuyelana nyalo sasekutsala
uthi mpho ungcono uma wenda nge-condom than uma wenda plane because uma wenda plane wakuchamela kakhulu ngathi bakulimate everything ifana naleyo so wena which one you prefer
plane
so wena awunankinga nama-illnesses
plane to unaphamela lakhe ngijwayele ngomamani
ujone loyana ke
Lokula.
lo bomba nenda njani yena
alo usanga khona
angeke ngiqale plane ngigcina nge-condom phela
alo sister ngikhona phela sekunomuntu and nayo ulala kakhulu nebala abazali true ulala nebala abazali
so bambheja so wena nyalo uthini ma le video itofika kulo muntu wakho lo straight wema sona
fuck you ngoba ngikuchithela ulakela njani
manje yena uyakuchithela mara wena awunankinga ukuthi alale nawe ngeplane mara uyakuchithela nawe you know very well ukuthi he's cheating but you don't have a problem with
masikhola stokhola so it's fine
oh guys
Like,
okay what's this guy
Sockets.
what's cockets manje
nokuthi into nje socket means
phela mina manje so phela bengicathi ku-tight
I think it means yeah facts
fact, that's a fact and I'm proud.
mina bengicathi phela ngima uthi so ngithi ku-tight ku-tight
Lokuthi iyavuma lokuthi wow.
ne
Sockets, wow.
okay oh fuck him so aren't you planning being lobola and everything is phenomenal that's not your wish
listen so I don't think like getting married or somebody paying the whole for me would work
listen isimo sebantu abadala
sometimes never bakugcinwako like umuntu uyabhora ngathi wabona like ngemalanga nje yabo ngambona every day
mara anankinga nokuya emgrooveni every day same place
imgruva kusemuntu
ngiyabhekile
but imgruva kunabafana
No guys, ngiyabona njengoba ngiyabona the way obsessed ngekhozi ngakhona.
ya ngiyakubona ngathi obsessed
But ngathola loyo muntu ukuthi naye nakhona sinomfundisa empilweni ngikhomba ukuthi not everything is about ukukhuluka and not everything is about kunatha. Ngatithoba ngibuye down ngibuye ebantwini because lapho phela nami ngiyakubona and ngishadile. Yebo.
I don't think I will
Mina ngiyakubona.
When office chat
no I don't want to get married like listen I'm that
mina ngithanda ukutshela
hayi ukuthi usesemncane
no
Ukuthi vele ngibona ngilapho.
wena ne
Namakoti esithembini nala mina tukesithembu ngiyibone mara nje ukuthi wami no sithembu ya
mawusho sithembu
abafana ba-serious
ukuthi ave wakastraight yeah sithembu yeah because like angana
ube number bani 3
3 or 4 or noma
emamncane lokugcina futhi
ngalapha abakhonse aba like akafocus kuwo straight basimane impela so I have to ngayenda noma yini I can do whatever
sebenzika yini wadeyithana umuntu onemundini lo shadile that experience because if ukhuluma ngesithembu phela it means maybe experience
ukuthi this person that in fact but abahlukanisa ngibahlukene naye mina nazo hlukene
mara nibuyeleni phela nini bona bakabuyelana
yeah bakabuyelana
ukhetha wena towards
yeah if ngibala ama relationship ami ngijole kakhulu but mangibalela ngibala like la mathe because lo ngasho ukuthi we dating yabo kulapho ngoba 3 months in
tumazi inyanga
kuzujona mo 3 months
then it's like ufunde just the
so ngifuna ukubuta la
for you
ukile wathola someone angakuboni ukuthi wena UK.
I get that all the time. I get that all
Senge
all
netshwala
the time.
ngikuthile la mpo.
Yeah, I get that all the time.
Zishe ngiswibhala. Nambe nendlini. And then kwenikala manifika.
Angaze ngathola umuntu route
Yeah.
first.
Yeah.
Angaze ngathola umuntu lo ukuthi athi ya biyasamba ngikhathi njalo.
Mm.
Like wonke lo muntu ngimthola
Mm.
utoqaba ukuthi ngindobatani but masenzele masengichaza ukuthi okay. Mina ngilo muntu ukuthi
Oh before ngicala
yeah, mina ngilo muntu ukuthi approach ngiyamtshela ukuthi okay. Mina I'm this person. Yabo. Ungazobe confused but lelo labanye ngiba nalokhohlwa ngani. Uthi maybe uyangibona.
Yeah.
So Snowflake masendlini. Ngazi ukuthi ayifela so that's fine. Sichubeke.
Awukwazi uthola umuntu athena.
Yeah, I'm too pretty for that.
Yathemba ne? Yathemba sana. Ne?
Too pretty for that.
It's too pretty for that. Kuthi umuntu azathi hayi chiya.
Chica.
And that guy uyambona usidona straight. Ngicambe yaqala experience ngento like. Manje maqala experience nina njani?
Kahle.
Aphinde afise one day again.
Yeah, labanye uyasho ukuthi ngeke baba. Sana sikhuluma.
Bakhona amagate athengisayo. Selling themselves. Angazi mhlawumbe.
I think umakelo uthola etshwaleni.
Nethengisa.
Like bro.
Okay, sorry.
Most emakelo lathenga tshwala.
Lawa?
Lathenga
tshwala, yeah.
Obvious bonana na. What is that?
Phela ngani? Yathi kunjani? Ngakuthola intombazane mina, ngiyabekisa. Ngoffer itshwala uvume nani? Sambe sonke ungafuni mavuso ekseni ngiyabekisa. Ungithanzile. So nini njani? Ufuna mavuso ekseni? Akhona vele mina nafuna mavuso vele ekseni. Sekhona lama sengiyabekisa ungithanzile. You like
Mara like kuthi into batale semsaka. Just speaking.
Mancane.
Yeah, like
Almost-
abantu batale
almost wonke
like
abantu-
ungathona abantu batale ulala nawo ikusena afuna uvuka imali afuna imali.
Lo sifuna nokuthi silale ikhona ku-African Bank. Kuthi
Yeah, ngiyelo sebenza njalo vele abaningi vele bayifuna imali.
angeke sivumelane
Ifoni
ngento
ze-
eyi-one bese ekuseni
Iyantshintsha.
uyangibona ukuthi no okay so angihlangene ngenze imali.
Umlebe ngisho ukuthi sinabanye bafana kanjani.
Ngifuna
Athi angeke kwenteke. So nifuna bomalini ekuseni sosikhathi?
8 ikhuphuka mina vele
1000.
8 ikhuphuka cause mina lokishini
Guys,
800.
so guys, you
No, I'm
see,
talking about two because I'm
Oh,
trying
mina
to
allowance.
2000.
Allowance, yeah. They come down from a straight.
First day ukuthengela itshwala. So ufamba nakhamba nawe, uyamtshela
Angaceli ngani?
Ngokucela umthini.
Angaceli one
Leso
thing.
sikhathi ninathana.
Oh, kuyahlukana.
Kuyahlukana nokuthi
Wena, what are you drinking?
Heineken,
Mm.
Sam,
Mm.
Savannah.
no mina konke
Surprise.
Let's go ngaphandle stout.
Yeah, ngaphandle kwestout Blakey.
Castle Lager.
Castle like abantu abadala vele.
Castle Lager.
Wale ma brand new dentina. Bo Hansen na.
Futhi West.
So before the person actually 2000 bo join imali. Ngumwelo waqala ukufundisa lento.
Umwelo waqala ukufundisa imali.
2000. Guys.
No, 2000
Zulimani.
ngasho ukuthi i-amount living nayo at least like ngenyanga umuntu ukuthi okay mina 2000 ngenyanga le.
Nenyanga.
Yeah, mina ngiyakwenda lo. Or maybe 1500.
Abomphona mdubula letinye nami.
Ngenyanga. Nakhona ukuthi ngimentali ukuthi ngicela ngemitsombozo and stuff. No. Side hustles. Lash, yabona archer, something like that. Ukuthi ngenyanga le 2000.
Mina ngasho ukuthi ibhadam lengitholile. Umfana lo thengashwana nokuthi akunemali.
Ne.
And lo uyamthanda nomfana.
Unomfana yena lo.
Yeah, lo thengashwana nokuthi
Ngibhena.
Inspiring.
Ngibhena mfo.
Ufuna ngingena
Inspiring.
Osbar shana lo utso. Lo mdivorce.
Very nje.
Akamind ukuthi aqhamukele ama-isopes ne-Hennessy afike akunika mara ngikhale ngemali.
futhi unafuna uthathe ukuthengisa lapho niseklabhini
Athi ungabuthengisi even namuhla lokhu i-Hennessy sokukhona.
niseklabhini leso sikhathi kuthenga eklabhini lapho nedi noma
Nisekhaya,
uyokuletheka
Ngisibalo.
imali lo leso sikhathi ngibuka more than 2000 rand
Lapho ngicela 100 rand.
unemali awuthwele awushooting something like that
Ungathwala 7.
phela ukuthola kusebenza kuna ukutholeni why
Uyasebenzela.
phela most of the people that
Ngeke
you
ngisho
know
ukuthi unemali ngaleyo ndlela. Sebenza nje.
Ingamagame.
but mara okay just imagine ngicele 1000 rand but uchamela into 2000 something and little useless kusho ukuthini kuwe lo ustish ngaleyo ndlela but kumdzali zona ngikhona ngile uyi-understanda phela kahle ukuthi awukhambi ukuthi ngicele mhlawumbe 3 ma-bri pack wena uchamuka netshwala ukuthenga 6 ma-bri pack what's that
Wesibetha ukuthi mina ngothengisa.
uthengisa netshwala wayena akafuna ukupha le mali ufuna ukubona ukuthi hayi zonke kahle
Like my previous girlfriend yakhe ngane bengimandi. Nakuyi benjalo.
no problem. What's the worst thing you ever experienced to your sexuality? Nothing.
Oh. Oh.
Man.
Like yabona usenjalo njalo nawo
Yeah.
ikhaya siko sit down
Yeah.
so ngabare bangani bami on that day sawunatha bazakonatha so bathola abanye bafana bo like not
Mbona wazokhomba napho?
like bathola abanye bafana like sometimes nabafana bangathanda amagame
Yeah.
like kuyatiyova lelo
Yeah.
ukuthi umfana athingabe nge-game so bathola labafana labo
Yeah.
so kona ukuthi sesifuna kumuka and sama ngabo bani sama ngalapho
Yeah.
yabo ngathi ngifuna kugibela ngathi ngihle and lapho bavala ngathi ngifuna kugibela ngathi ngihle
Sema friends akho agibelile yona leso. Awufuni nokwedla uthi nasiyehla. Akushiya.
ngathi ngicela ukugibela ngohamba ngani bathi udodibona basuka bahamba
Nema friends wakho.
on that day I had to sleep with someone just for ukuthi ngithole indawo
You sleep with someone umthole khona lapha. Labangani bakho bakushiyile. They're not true friends. Nengelo sobangani bakho from that day yaphela that day. But you're wrong. Ufuna basale kumthole nonke. Excuse. So, ngoba ne-chance lapha ngaphandle lasimuntu uhamba nawo.
yeah like lo puthi nalo kwangibhiza naka yabo so
Yakushonela lasale uhamba naye.
yeah ngiyana
Nafika endlini kwabangilo what?
wavuka ekuseni that's why ngithi like I was used to imali eningi
Uvulise nokuphi imali?
wavuka ekuseni
Mm.
wangingathi mina ngiqashabe ekuseni ukuze mina ufake after ngilala angikhona ukulalela ke kanti abantu especially like if ngajwayele so wavuka ekuseni wadecide ukuthi anginike 1000 rand yabo ngakuthatha
And wena bonga expect mix.
like
Expected
vele lisinto ngani wavuka ekuseni ngina 1000 rand wanesandla so ngothatha sakhe imoto ngapha wafike esemo khipha 1000 rand wabeya naye
Lo munye.
yeah
Sem 2000 wena.
ngayehla wayongibeka ngasekhaya mangiyehla wathi okay ngoba nguve bengikhala ngetinzima ukuthi unawulusa kuthini wathi ngoba nguve uthi na 500 shothi lo
2.5
udodela letinzima udodela ngale
Yo. Abangani bakho bathi bakumeze indirect kahle kahle. Because mhlambe nalo muntu nanyalo solusanayo. Bazamphindza banayo. Mara nayi imali bakupha phela. Bakupha izikiziki hayi.
like at that time
Imali.
kumele ukuya ukuthi manager on 2 so I didn't know whether manager or yini because umanager vele ekhulu yabo that's why ngizange kwaba easy ukuthi siphize sihlangane noma ngabe umfonele but azange nginike number yakho
Ne. Why? Why?
nama usikele ngani
But musingani sokucalile kuba naye.
sengiqalile ukuba naye but or bengicinga sithi lo lawo ngana choice but kuthi na namuhla sipenze
Babuye abangani bakho the following day. Bathini?
babuye bathi kusasa sabuyela nganathi iya ngiyabuyela mina
Mm.
mara ngamnani but angisabuyela.
Okay, what's the nicest thing you've experienced? Before Sivala, yeah.
Worst experience.
The worst experience I had it. What's the nicest one?
Nicest one.
Yeah. And there are plenty of them, those ones.
Yo.
I'm at 2000.
Yabo, imagine
Mm.
umeet someone nongamali.
Yeah.
After I say, "Ay, instead of doing like,
Yeah.
yeah, that was the nicest thing." So this guy, compare this guy and his wife, this guy and his wife.
Mm.
I was like, sorry, but the one, what is the thing? I like everything about you. Like you're confident.
And I'm Fatwak.
Yes, but show me too.
You will
But
take
okay. Like we
Wow.
pull me out.
Okay.
Yo, so I see, okay. I'll mind who's on my na. I said, no, don't mind. But I okay, we'll pay everything for everything. What I just say, Banasla. What he no fatty if I tell my house at the Maki, like you can live like a good time. So thank you. Like every time I made that was a back to back, but then I'm okay.
When I'm there, I'm hambe one.
Like bengi nje dropping it kuthi
Mm,
shopper.
Ngani basinenenhlanhla man, basinenhlanhla. Bese ngikuthi ngide nyanga nenigeza kuyo.
Akuthi
Ngide nyanga nenigeza. Did you ever do a threesome, you, a straight guy and a woman? Straight woman?
no.
You never. 3 guys, 3 of you guys.
No.
You never did do a threesome in your life?
I would do it this time.
I would, but I'm not sorry disrespect like put some for your stars or
There are only gonna be 2 guys and then me. That will be comfortable.
Oh, guys.
But we can do a threesome together.
Get where? Get where?
What?
You can do a threesome to get where?
We can do a threesome.
No, it doesn't.
Oh.
Like the mood weight.
Nah.
Like the mood of what?
Mm.
We can do that.
I'm going to reach us. Who's my dog?
So it's only a short name. Just check with me.
And I can do a threesome them correct.
Ha!
I got time, no. I mean,
As long as it don't sell.
Yes.
As long as it's well.
But my boyfriend I can like
Pero sabes que estoy tan guay.
My boyfriend I can out of now is busy fridge.
yeah, like
Move
Pero
over
no
fridge.
me visa.
I'm gonna put him in also, by the way.
The windows, eh?
Yeah, nah. I'm gonna put him in because
Yeah,
what are worse than me?
Oh.
Asivala.
Ibale.
To people labana sexuality lonayo and they're afraid to come out as your friend. Ngifisa ngathi sicale ngalo mngane wakho lokuthi ugoma kwayi noma uyive ekhayini. Mhlambi ngafika kuma kwakho. What can you say?
To them.
Yeah, to the mother.
I think like njengala mntwana abekulelo ngi nawe udiyo adikhulula because like angeke uhlale like uba makalozo angifunda wabe lo because at the end of the day like
Impilo yakho.
impilo yakho akumtshitshi
Yeah.
uyosolo akulento leyo and angeke uyabona ukuthi ontshitshi emkhathini hayi loyo velayo hayi kuna something wrong thina as magay
Yeah.
we don't change.
Yeah, ngazi ngiva sigesi straight.
Yeah, akhona
Ngisho straight gay, bekuyigay. So kuqoqa ba straight.
number khona
Ngazi ngiva.
ngizaba mugelings
Ngazi ngizabani?
mugelings
But I think Mugilin's content is I don't think
because ngala kulamanye ama content ngala kulamanye ama social media tshintshile ngala katshintshi
Mugilin's the content creator at TikTok.
so yeah I think ikala mntwana phela impilo yakhe
Yeah,
there's nothing that you can do
it's nothing.
akusimloyo
Mm.
akusimlutho
Mm.
umntwana ongunendo langiyo
Yeah,
ukhula nabo vele
yeah.
so yeah
Last question, ngikhohle ukubuza. Ukilogula yakugulisa le ikazi
yakhulisa njani
lezikizikayayi.
oh
Phakathi
yeah
isusu.
kuna this thing yabo lento ukuthi bachithele phakathi yasilimata wena
Ne,
yasilimata la information
kunikelani?
I don't know for
Mm.
but for me
Mm.
after 2 hours iyaqala dryer
Eish.
asinasinye ezimagay but la khalweni kuba buhlungu kuba buhlungu uvuka lela la ngusibone into wena
Yes,
we're having the same problem
all of you,
both
both
of
of
us
you.
we're having the same problem
Yeah. So guys. Oh, you know Sweetness? There's a guy called Sweetness, gay man. She's gay. She's gay, she's gay. Oh, yeah, they say there's a certificate, yeah, the certificate because you change your sexuality if you are and
Even in Canada. Even in Canada.
you change to male to female
yeah, in your birth certificate.
oh yeah
So then they,
No.
why not, guys?
and a lot of people are confused about it is either I'm a woman or a transgender
Yeah,
hey don't khula nako
yeah,
so stop it
yeah.
I'm still transgender mina ngigay
Yeah.
yes
Okay.
card lami lithi business
Oh, Mrs. Oh, not Mrs.
not
Even
business.
in trans nyalo yakhona.
Oh, gay very easy. Guy.
yeah
Trans.
So laba bona banjinja bathi Mrs. bona.
Love my breast la.
ngilave mafesi ngilozotshintshile nangala
Lokho
Ayinjinja.
Ah.
Lisabende vele linzima.
Yes.
Nelikhiphe
ngibakhiphe abanjenge ubani just like
Nah.
kilo elalo
Uh-uh.
momcheka ku social media
You're gonna be brother. You trans gadlaza baby gadlaza.
Eish. Sayivara, guys. Speechless. Sayivara sim. Pick up to my case.
So all the gays outside the Pilimila yakho without even like any fear, my baby.
kahlaza love
There.
Word of the
Boss.
day to gays.
be yourself
because like if you don't be yourself,
who's gonna be you
Someone else.
yes who's gonna be you baby?
I see valid. Boy play queen. Yanko.